Yo, yo, you know what time it is, bro? We just hit the big 50, bro. The big 50, bro. I do not know how to do this. But yeah, we just hit the big 50. I wanted to do like a young tutorial, yeah, like just a young little something, just keep the series going, the how-tos. I'm not sure if you fuck with Internet Girl. Y'all did it. Y'all got us to 50, bro. Y'all got us to 50, bro. It's crazy. A long time, bro. I've had this channel for a minute, just uploading beats and stuff. To finally hit 50, bro, that's crazy. That's crazy. Appreciate y'all. It just means that we're getting closer and closer and closer, bro. Appreciate you guys, man, for everything that you're doing, man. Support. Shout out. Let's keep going, bro. Let's keep moving. Let's keep spinning. Keep at it. Let's go. I bet, bro. Initially, I wanted to do like 50 because, the big 50. But then I was like, hey, stuff. That's insane for the first upload. So I just did 10, And then too crazy. It's a variety of stuff, bro. Let me just play some. Some hard shit. Some hard shit. Let's see what this is. Like, it's a mix, bro. Like, it's a mix of stuff, bro. Like, sometimes it's hard, sometimes it's chilled, I didn't want it to be, like, all hard shit, because I don't make all hard shit. In a sense. Nah. Get too carried away. Damn. Nah. You see, but like it's like a variety, bro. Hard, cool, and then like somewhere in between. I just wanted to mix it up. This is yours, bro. Appreciate the 50. Let's keep pushing, let's keep grinding. Let's go. Yeah, man. That's you. I got y'all niggas. I got y'all boys. I got y'all brews. A little calm 10 loops. Placement ready loops. Read the terms of service. Credit the boy, bro. You don't gotta give me royalties. Just give me credit, dog. Scave credit, dog. Yeah, bro. That's about it, man. Like, right now I need to focus on school. Exams are coming up. Let's push that for a minute. But when it's like holiday time, bro, I promise you daily uploads, if not every other day. Because editing is up. Yo. Yeah. Let's keep pushing. Let's keep grinding. Let's keep at it, bro. You know what I mean? Let's just keep working, bro. And yeah, hit me up on IG as well. Like, if you make something, tag me in it. Who knows? Maybe I got more loops. Maybe I have more loops better than these. Hit me up. Yeah, but anyways, shout out niggas, bro. Thank you for the 50K. Too many more.